Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It's 10:38 p.m. Saturday, September 7th, 2019. And what you're looking at is a new in the box from 1986 Airmaster Mark 7. This is a Relite Airmaster from England. One of my favorite fans I remember seeing when I was a kid. I remember going to Salem Willows, had them. Go to the Topsfield Fair. There were 4 of them in the art exhibit. They've subsequently been replaced by some other industrial, like Day Turds or something, and then now they actually have Hampton Bay Alturas. But I just remember they were ubiquitous throughout my childhood. There was a supermarket actually where the big Y in West Peabody is now. It no longer has a drop ceiling, but it used to have a drop ceiling and a whole bunch of these. They had really strange upper and lower canopies. They were sort of conical shaped. I've never seen, so the ones like the newer Airmasters have, the Crompton Greaves Airmasters, but they had the flat bottom. So that being said, let's give this Flying Flapjack a whirl. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do click like and subscribe to my YouTube page called The Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. I know some of you guys already, and hope to meet the rest of you folks. Maybe you'll see it at Fanimation or something like that. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.